How did I go from working in finance to working outdoors in the environmental sector? So I spent about 3 years working in the finance sector for different companies. During this time in COVID, there was a short course available that gave me a basic introduction into plant identification skills. I really enjoyed this short course and I went on to start learning one new plant every day. This just kept building and building, and eventually I took a job in bush regeneration, which is ecological restoration. From this role, there's many different career paths. If you have any advice for people that are new to the industry, looking to get into the environmental industry, leave comments down below. And if you have any questions, hopefully myself or someone else can help you with some basic questions. I would love to dive into this deeper, so if you did enjoy today, leave a like, share it with that friend who needs help.